Later, King Yog Narendra Malla also continued his ancestors' tradition. Siddhi Narasimha Malla also created two temples in public square in front of the palace. Visweswar or Viswanath is Nepali styled Shiva temple was built in 1627 AD. The other one is the famous and wonderful Shikhara temple dedicated to Lord Krishna. It was built in 1637 AD. He abandoned the throne to his son in 1652 AD and went on pilgrimage. Though he returned from the pilgrimage, he did not resume the throne. He died in 1710 AD at the age of 104, but legend attests that he is still alive. Siddhi Narasimha Malla's building activity was oriented to spiritual ends. He is known as the Rajarsi, that is, sage among kings, who was abstemious and meditative man, devoted more to gods than to the enjoyment of kingly splendors. Srinivas Malla ascended the throne in 1661 AD. He renovated the palace in the same year and rebuilt the Dekutale temple in 1662 AD. The temple was destroyed by the fire and it was elevated on a three-story building in today's state. The existing Chief Taliju temple apparently replaced a previous one in 1671 AD, when Srinivas Malla erected it as a rooftop temple at the northeast corner of the Muchuka. He built a new Agache in the northwest corner of the Muchuka in 1679 AD. He also erected the new pavilion known as Keshav Narayan Chuka with a small Keshav Narayan temple in the courtyard in 1680 AD. Srinivas Malla established various temples in the public square in front of the palace. He built Bhimsen temple with a large sunken Yagya Kunda in front of it in 1680 AD. He built Narayan temple in memory of his deceased brother in 1652 AD. The Chautara Bhagirath Bhaiya, a minister of Srinivas Malla, also built a temple, Bhai Dega, conceived as a substitute for the Vishwanath temple in Banaras. The successors also did notable additions. Yog Narendra Malla built his Royal Council Hall, the Mani Mandap, in 1701 AD to replace an earlier hall. Srinivas Malla's sister Rudramati built Sankara Narayan temple in 1706 AD. Patan Darbar Square was built in a geometric pattern. The buildings are related to each other. The Tripura Sundari plan of Mangahiti gives a central line which, when extended, gives the central line of all Chuka. Side of Mu Chuka is equal to the diagonal of Sundari Chuka. The design is related to Root 2 principle, which is related to Tantrism, not to the Vastu Purus Mandala. Sundari Chuka is the first built courtyard in Patan Darbar Square. It has a west entrance. It is as especially well proportioned three-story courtyard with an outstanding example of 17th century Nepali architecture. It was used as royal residence, which has rich ornamentation. Siddhi Narasimha Malla built the Dekutale temple better than before in 1641 AD. The Sundari Chuka and its sunken bath were created in 1646 AD. Since the Sundari Chuka was for himself, Siddhi Narasimha Malla built honor garden named Bhandar Khal, a large fountain and adjacent tank to honor goddess Talizu. There are three Garjan images placed in front of the courtyard by Siddhi Narasimha Malla, representing his name. He placed a five-faced Ganesh, meaning Siddhi, Narasimha, and Hanuman, meaning Malla. There is a water fountain in the middle of the court, known as Tusahiti, where Siddhi Narasimha Malla probably took bath. It is made of stone with elaborate display of religious structures. At the conduit, there is a small model of Krishna temple. There is a slab at the north for the king to meditate. The court is surrounded by building on all sides. There are 3 dala with 2 rooms on 2 sides and a corner room. The corner room of southeast corner has been filled with soil up to first floor, which is done for the religious purpose as the king needs to touch the earth during worship. There are total 4 staircases. All rooms on first floor couldn't be accessed from one stair. One stair gave access to 3 rooms on first floor. Therefore, there are total 4 compartments. However, the attic was interconnected using veranda. The 4 quarters on the first floor strongly resembles the palace to a Bahal, a Buddhist monastery. So in general, the ground floor is for access and security. First floor is for bedrooms and anterooms connecting room lobby, and attic is the common room. The rooms of Sundari Chuka are single bed, where each room faces inside the courtyard. This shows that the court is a private and secluded as a high-class accommodation. Muchuka is the main palace courtyard lying between the Degutali temple and Sundari Chuka. This courtyard is used in celebrating the Dasai sacrifices. Formerly, the sacrifice had been conducted in the stone party of Thamthyak Loha Kapar. For this purpose, the Telizu temple was built into the south wing. The 2 large gilt copper real-size image of Ganga and Yamuna, the 2 most sacred rivers in Hinduism, guard at the temple doorway. In 1666 AD, Srinivas Malla renovated the Muchuka, the main palace courtyard lying between the Degutali temple and Sundari Chuka, larger than before. The Sundari Chuka was expanded southward over land previously occupied by a vihar. The vihar was donated by a king in 12th century. It was dismantled and relocated west of the square to expand the palace. This courtyard is used as religious and devotional courtyard. Many spaces and rooms in this courtyard are restricted to be entered by general people. In Nepalese culture, the deity of the family is still considered sacred and secret, that none except from the family members and priest assigned by family can enter. Keshav Narayan Chuka is the northernmost part of the Patan Darbar Palace complex, with a dominating Degutali temple next to it. It is the site of the earliest Malla palace in Patan and rests on the even older foundations of a Buddhist monastery which it replaced a long time ago. It was also called Chauvat or Chaukot Darbar, the four-cornered fort, in reference to its 4 tower pavilions and to the originally open terrace in between them. Of these corner pavilions, only the 2 front ones are still in place. Although the date of its original construction remains unknown, repeated renovations of the palace have been recorded. For the first time under Malla rule, it was rebuilt in 1734 AD to its present shape. The Keshav Narayan Chuka opens into arcades, Dala, on 3 of its sides, supported by pairs of carved timber pillars. The small domed shrine in the courtyard is devoted to Lord Vishnu as Mani Keshav Narayan, from which the common name of this part of the palace derives.